Trim with Transcript. Powered by leading AI tools, Kapwing's Trim with Transcript makes editing as simple as deleting text in a document, and we made a couple of refinements that makes this even faster. Start by uploading any video or audio file, and then generate a transcript from the left-hand sidebar. Hover over any word or sentence in the transcript, and that section of your video will be highlighted in blue. Simply click delete and it's gone. No need for any manual splitting, trimming, or complicated keyboard shortcuts. But a new option has been added, which is next to the delete button, you will now see an add visual option. Clicking it opens a media upload panel, allowing you to insert relevant B-roll directly into your video. Honestly, I've been playing with this for a while, and it is literally twice as fast as having to manually drag and drop clips and having to align them in the editor. Just choose any word or sentence you want the media to match with, then upload your file or use footage from the stock library. Every upload also includes custom positioning, making it overlay watermarks, logos, or other visuals exactly where you want. Finally, we have one more updated function in the Smart Tools section, and it is the ultimate weapon for editing footage with silences, pauses, or the occasional mistake. Instead of cutting out each pause manually, select Smart Tools and then choose Auto Edit. Follow the prompts on screen, and Kapwing will automatically remove all of the sections that don't flow, turning a clunky, awkward piece into a smooth, polished video. Now you can just set up your camera, press record, knowing that Kapwing will automatically edit a glossy final cut without the need for reshoots.